All right, baby. I'm at the Tesla dealer for that noise again. Of the noise that the car make. And they want to keep trying to tell you because another one of the cars. All right, this is what was going on. All the threes they keep saying makes noise. They make the noise when you put it in hold or with the reverse because of whatever the thing is. That's what they keep trying to tell you instead of just changing the part. But I'm like, bro, I don't want to keep dealing with the noise. I want to change the part. Maybe if you put a newer part in, maybe it might just change it. Maybe it won't, but let's try it. You keep saying no, like you want to like deter me from it. But bro, I don't want to keep dealing with the noise. You see it? You see? I don't want to deal with this noise no more. And I'm in here because they tell you you can't tape, but I'm going to tape. You know, look at that. I'm not moving. They just want you to keep dealing with this. And this is also when you make turns and all that stuff in a tight spot coming out of somebody's block. I keep going through this. And I don't believe you got to do that. And they just showed a new Tesla blue one and it did it too. It did it. It's even worse than mine actually. And this is unsatisfactory. I'm like, bro, if you was selling this, when y'all was selling this, y'all never showed that it makes that noise. Because if you were showing it that make that noise when you were selling it, nobody would buy it. You see what I'm saying? So to me, this is just something that once you buy it, then when you hear the noise and you go to them, go, hey, making a noise, they'll go, oh, no, see, other ones do it too. Other ones do it. But why don't y'all advertise that? If you knew it make noise, then why would you sell it like that? Why would y'all not fix the part to the point where y'all put a part in there that don't make the noise? Why would you want it to be satisfactory of your car's making noise? And that's what I'm saying as a company. If you're satisfied with just making noise and just to tell customers that's what it does, then come on, what kind of company is that? Why would you want your car to make noise? If I'm doing something on the assembly line and the car starts to make a noise, then I'm gonna tell them to take that piece out. We gotta find a part that doesn't make the noise. Or don't let the car sell yet until you can completely get all the noise out. And this is what's wrong with Tesla. It's like, yo, you just want me to say, hey, because y'all say, hey, all the cars does it, then that's just what you gotta do. You just gotta deal with it. Bro, people that bought the car don't want noise. So if you know it makes noise and because of this or that, or whatever y'all keep saying, then y'all need to find ways to fix it then. This should be what you call it when they go a recall. This should be a recall on the stuff and y'all should be found ways. Come on, it's been a year now. You didn't find a way to get that noise out of it yet? You're just gonna say, hey, that's the 2024, 25 model, it just make noise. And then when I put these on videos, if you're not a popular video guy, you can't put no pressure. If I was one of those guys that get 10,000 views, 20,000 views, 30,000 views, 50,000 views, you're big, then you got pressure for them. Now they're gonna feel pressured. When you're somebody that don't get nobody barely or people that's not answering the thing doesn't make sense. In this video, when I put the video out, all I was saying for people who have performance, a lot of people have performance. So does your performance make noise? That's all you have to say. Yeah, mine does, this one, and let's have a little discussion to see how many cars who have the performance actually makes noise. That would have been helping my leverage out, but y'all don't be doing that. And it's stupid to me. Y'all help out everything else that these guys do, but then when it's a real important thing like this with the noise, I'm not asking you to marry me. I'm not asking you to give me the most views. This is about a Tesla. This is about something that people drive. Other people have it. So that video should have went viral. It makes noise. And then when you come here, they tell you it makes noise. And you should just deal with it. That's something that should be viral. That should be viral. That should be the next viral 3. The Model 3s, they say that it has to make the noise and you just have to deal with it. Come on, bro. It should have been on top. And I'm here again and it's like, yo, why you keep making me come here when I tell y'all what's wrong, and then when I come here, y'all keep trying to battle me to make me feel like it's nothing wrong, just what it is. So, yeah. All right, man, I'm about to get out of here. We'll see what's going on.